Welcome. In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your mobile data signal is too weak. You can refresh your mobile data connection by toggling airplane mode, so swipe down the quick settings and enable the airplane mode, and in a couple of seconds try disabling it. Your device will reconnect, and then check if your if your connection improved. And if it didn't, you can move to an area with better coverage. Check if you have places around you where your signal is better. If you didn't find any place like this, then go to settings, select mobile network, then open your SIM card settings, go to Wi-Fi calling and try enabling it. And if this doesn't help you, you can also go back, select more settings and try using Smart 5G in order to automatically switch between 5G and 4G for reducing battery consumption and also improve your connections. And the last thing that you can do is go to System and Update, Backup and Reset, Reset Phone, and then select Reset Network and Bluetooth settings. Confirm. And once your network is reset, you can change the strength of your signal and see if it improved. And if it didn't, the last resort would be to simply contact your carrier to check for outages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.